What would you do if you could fix all your sickness with just one medicine without going to the doctor? That's exactly what essential oils can do. Today I'm going to talk about the history of essential oils and where they came from, what they are, and how do we get them, how do they work, how long does it take for them to work inside of your body, and what is Young Living, their motto, and why I chose them. The history of essential oils. According to the Young Living blog, in 5000 BC, Circa, an anthropologist, used them to create an ointment to help heal wounds. In 1500 BC, Egyptians used them for embalming the bodies. Most commonly were frankincense and myrrh. Those were also presented to Jesus at his birth. In the New Testament, the Roman Empire used frankincense, cedarwood, fir, and spikenard to heal wounds and help with spiritual communication, because a lot of people believe that essential oils can be used to heighten your spiritual welfare and for you to be able to better focus on the Bible. How do we get essential oils? Essential oils can be processed two ways. You can either use the cold press, which is the picture on the left, or you can do the steam process, which is on the right. The left one is normally used more for citrusy oils, such as orange or citrus fresh, where they actually have to get the oil from the peel instead of getting it from the actual plant. The ones on the right is how we would normally get, frankincense and myrrh and peace and calming and lavender and all those different kinds, where we actually have to get them from the leaves and the stems themselves. The essential oils are natural plants that help us. They are extracted from plants, petals, leaves, stems, or roots, along with from their peel. We can use either the water method or we can use the steam, and then you can also use the cold press. How do essential oils work? Your body sends frequencies, and everybody's body does it. If you're hurting, your body might send one frequency, but if you're feeling really stressed out, your body sends another. Oils are based off of frequencies. As you can see with the diagram on the left, if you have positive thoughts, your frequency is maybe between 77 to 83. But for other oils, such as rose oil, which can help you with anything really, it goes up to 320 megahertz. Lavender is a solid 147. That's one that helps with calming. It can help with really anything. Lavender is referred to as the Swiss Army knife of essential oils because you can use it for anything, including diabetes. And this chart over here just shows the different frequencies of each of the oils. This is not all of the essential oils from Young Living. You have VitaFlex points on the bottoms of your feet, on your hands, on the inside of your wrist, and on your ears. These help soak in the essential oil and help your body. The ones on your feet is more or less just your diaphragm. On the bottoms of your feet, the ones on your hands can help everything, and the ones on your ears help out with your skeletal system too. These allow oils to seep into your skin without fighting through your pores. How long do they take to work? It takes 22 seconds for each oil to get to your brain. It takes 2 minutes to reach your bloodstream, and it takes 20 minutes to reach every cell in your entire body. Now that we've talked about how long it takes for essential oils to work, let's talk about Young Living, their motto, and why I chose them. Young Living was the first company I was introduced to. Young Living's motto is seed to seal. It's not only their motto, it's their promise. They make sure that everything that they distill, it's all natural, and they own their own farms. They harvest they use the essential oils from less than 30% of their product. They don't spray their products with pesticide, and they have outside testing. Young Living empowers us to take control of our lives naturally. When I joined Young Living, I joined a wonderful tribe of ladies. We call ourselves the Lavender Tribe. And that's their Seed to Seal motto and their logo. And then that right there is a picture of a lot of the girls that are in our tribe. In conclusion, oils can be used for everything. The history of essential oils is really interesting. Essential oils are natural remedies to help us with our body, and they work by putting them on topically, aromatherapy, or ingesting them. That's it.